Stacy from Let's Cook Y'all. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, welcome. We're really glad you're here. We hope you like what you'll see and you'll hit that red subscribe button. Our normal content is cooking related, recipe videos, what's for dinner's grocery haul. This is a new video for us today, something that actually a service I have never heard of. And we were contacted by the folks at PinchMe. PinchMe is a service that sends, and I'm going to be looking down and reading a couple things if you see me looking away. PinchMe is a service that lets you discover and try new products from leading brands completely free. It's free for us, it would be free for you. It is available only in the US, and as a disclaimer, as required by the FTC, Google, and YouTube, right here, here's my disclaimer, is this box was sent to me completely free of free products to review from the PinchMe folks. So that's our disclaimer. Let me read you a couple things about what PinchMe is and what they do. They send you products to try from leading brands. They have a offering once a month. It's called Sample Tuesday. The next Sample Tuesday is coming up next week on April 9th at 12 noon Eastern Time or 11 a.m. Central. They encourage you to go out and set up completely free, no credit card required, a PinchMe profile, and go ahead and complete your profile, including all of the bonus questions, before time on that Sample Tuesday so that you might have a chance to get a box. Another quick disclaimer is the box that we were sent is larger than what most people would get, including us, I guess, after this time. It's called an influencer box or a blogger box. It gives you a wider variety of products so that we can show you guys kind of what they offer. They offer products from beauty, snacks, pets, baby, and much more. And we're hoping that there's some food items in our box, and we're going to show you our box here in a minute. The only thing that they ask is that you have feedback, provide honest feedback. The literature says that the PinchMe community is extremely engaged. All samples are available while supplies last on a first come, first served basis. And the member experience is very important to the PinchMe folks. In addition to the free samples that they send, the members and benefit from special partner offers called PinchMe Perks, exclusive sweepstakes, product review opportunities, and other promotions. However, given the 100% free nature of the PinchMe platform, they cannot guarantee that all members will receive a box on Sample Tuesday. I think you need to go ahead and set up your profile before next Tuesday and run right out at 12 noon Eastern Time and try to grab a box, because they are first come, first serve. They said there's many factors that impact who qualifies for samples, including the volume of the samples that they have available, and especially the targeting specified by our brand partners at any given time. I will put all the information in the description box below. The main thing that you will need, and I'll put it right here, is we have a PinchMe tracking code or tracking ID. You can follow that and go and get signed up. Again, this is a service that's only provided to the US. I'm sorry for those of you that watch our channel from Canada, Australia, the UK, or other countries. This is a US only service. And remember that our box, because we were sent it to show you guys, is bigger. It says that a regular PinchMe member's monthly box will have an assortment of items, usually 3 to 5 samples. But anyway, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what we got this month and what we're going to be evaluating and providing our honest feedback to the PinchMe folks. And I encourage you to follow our link. I'll put it again right here, our tracking link, and go and sign up. It's completely free, and we can all try some new products together from PinchMe. We want to thank the PinchMe people for contacting us. This is not a service I was even aware of. I've done one in the past many years ago called BuzzFeed. I assume it's something similar to that, but I like the idea of an assortment of products, and I really like that it's not like an Ipsy or a BarkBox or a Chewy. It's completely free. You don't have to pay for the subscription service. So I'm going to show you our box, and I encourage you to go out and set up an account, and before next Tuesday, be ready to try to grab your own PinchMe box. Okay, my PinchMe box is here. Remember, mine is an influencer box. It'll be a little larger. We've got a welcome card explaining how PinchMe works. And the first thing is some Sundown Naturals Multi-Daily Immune Support with Ester C, which is a vitamin C supplement, and that is something I would definitely use. And I'm not going to have a chance to review a lot of these before, but I imagine I'm going to like this. I take some vitamins and supplements every day, so that is a big winner. And there is 60 in here, which is a nice size. Next is a native deodorant, coconut and vanilla. Next is an RX product, a nut butter with egg whites, almonds, dates, an almond butter spread, and I imagine I've liked that. I think I have gotten a free RX product before as part of the Kroger Free Friday download. If I remember right, it was something that I liked. The ingredients are almonds, egg whites, dates, coconut oil, sea salt. It does contain eggs and almonds, so that'll be a nice snack. Next is looks like a sunscreen, Umbra Sheer Physical Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 30, Protect and Preserve. I'm not familiar with the manufacturer, Drunk Elephant, so that was a new one for me. That'll be a new nice product to try. Coming up on spring and summer, sunscreen is very much appreciated. They are speaking my love language. They included a Ghirardelli chocolate, milk chocolate square, as well as a Lindor truffle. They must have visited our channel before. There's also a Michel et Augustin cookie square baked in France, dark chocolate made with a pinch of sea salt. I just might have to taste that in the next 30 seconds. There is some Skinny Girl Soothing Body Oil made with sweet almond oil and coconut oil. So some nice skincare products. Oh, very cool. From Dr. Dennis Gross, an Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. So probably a glycolic type peel to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, and improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. Goodness knows I need all of that I can get. It's an Alpha Beta Peeling Quotidian. Don't know that word. Very cool. I will definitely try that. And something for Tim. A Folgers 1850 K-Cup. He will enjoy that. Very cool. We also got from the Clorox company, I always like their products, an ultra clean disinfecting wipe. That'll be something great I can keep in my purse or the car. This one is lemon. And one more item on the bottom, a Compeed Cushioning Comfort and Constant Advanced Blister Care. Looks like it's a pad, which going into sandal season and not boots and socks, I am sure I will be using that. So blister care. So we will be trying these products. That's a very nice box. Thank you, PinchMe. So that is a very nice box from the PinchMe people. I'm looking forward to trying all of these products. I can already tell you right now, I'm sure I will enjoy all of these foods, the 3 chocolates, the RX almond butter, and Tim will enjoy the 1850 K-Cup. I will definitely use and try all these products and let you guys know, but so far these look like a winner. So be sure and go to the PinchMe website and follow the link below. I'll have it on the bottom of the screen and also in the Show More box. And sign up and set up your profile before the next Sample Tuesday, which again is a week from now on April 9th at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time in the U.S. Remember, this is only available for U.S. Thanks so much to PinchMe, and thanks for checking out this video. We're excited to use these products and let you guys know. As always, thanks so much for stopping by our channel. Let's cook, y'all. I hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. We'll see you in the next video. I'm eating that one right now. Right now.